Oh, that was an awful snap. Hello and welcome back everyone to Universe Sandbox, and today we're going to be doing the most important thing we have done on this channel by far, without a doubt. So I've got a problem. It's been here all along, and its name is England, or the UK, whatever you want to call it. And because I wanted an excuse to put a black hole dangerously close to the Earth in a new update, I decided that the best way to test this would be to get rid of my largest problem right now, which once again is England, and we're going to just use it as the testing ground for our black hole experiment. Why do I do this? I'm struggling to understand my own intentions here, but clearly we are doing the world a favor, and disgusting. Let's take care of it real quick. Alright, let me grab a black hole. So we can't actually put it on England because it would just eat the Earth. We're gonna have to put the black hole a little bit above England. And we'll do a few different sizes of black holes and at different speeds to get the full, experience. You know how this goes. You gotta be strategic about your England annihilation. So let's go ahead and grab this one solar mass black hole, which is actually quite tiny. It's quite... Okay, so it's massive as in it has a lot of mass, but it is tiny as in the radius is very small. Small boy. I believe it would actually be smaller than London. Oh, maybe a little bit... Okay, bigger than London. Going by sight here, that looks a little bit larger than a city. But on top of England, which is a very small and disappointingly sized country, no offense, it's still pretty tiny. Look at how small that black hole is. It is 3 kilometers wide. Someone very quickly, London diameter. And then we have to divide by 2. 50 miles. Okay, yeah, no, we're not quite there. So quite a bit smaller actually. We're a tiny little black hole. And let's go ahead and zero velocity this bad boy and make it so that it can't move, so that it doesn't fall into the Earth. Same thing with the Earth. We're gonna make it so that the Earth can't fall into the Earth. No, we're just going to make it so that it can't move. Position lock. And now we're going to hit play and see what happens having our black hole on England. Nothing could possibly go wrong. Alright, so looking at Earth. So far we have very little going on. Oh my jeez! Holy guacamole, man! Alright, I take it back. Something is happening. We aren't quite sure. Oh my god. The Earth is just now being eaten. The massive Earth is just being sucked out into the England black hole. But it's happening in like big chunks so quickly that we actually can't see it. They're being ripped out at like the speed of light. Wow, the Earth looks like it has a slight problem. Quite a bit of a squash moment. Oh boy! I can't even tell how large Earth is anymore. It legitimately looks like parts of it have just been eaten. I don't know how much of that is graphic effect and how much of it might be the actual, Alright. I'm kind of curious if I delete the black hole, what Earth looks like, but at the same time, this is just so wacky. Earth is now a bean. It seems so fitting that Earth was turned into a bean by England. Gotta eat your toast and beans. Toast and beans right away, stat. Oh, is the Earth inside of the black hole? Oh, it would appear it is. It's like all dusty. Oh boy. Oh, what is happening? The black hole is just like expanding, throwing all of the Earth bits everywhere. That's terrifying. That's absolutely horrifying on a new scale. Why would you do this to us, England? This is all your fault. Look at that. Look at what's left. It's beautiful. All right. This brings up some other questions. You know, I'm actually quite surprised by the amount of damage that did. I was thinking it would be a little bit less traumatic. I thought we'd get a bit more time out of it. I think we have to move it a little bit further above England. I think we may have gotten a little bit too close. I don't blame the black hole for being upset for being so close to England because, you know, it's England. So we're just going to increase that rotational period again, grab another black hole, but this time we're going to put it a little bit further away. And, you know, we'll do 100 solar masses because even though that kind of ruins the entire point of putting it further away, nothing I do on this channel makes sense. So in a way, it makes sense. Right. So if we draw a straight line, this is kind of over England. Like, our shortest path to get to Earth is through England, so it's kind of on England. So it's not clickbait, trust me. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the motion of this, and just once again, we're just gonna position lock the bad boy, go to the Earth, position lock it. We're going to see what happens. We're gonna slow down time. Great. Oh! Alright. So I just want you to notice right off the bat that England is gone. So is a large chunk of the Earth, which has literally just been ripped off of the surface. Oh, it's back! Oh no! It's back again. It's created like a circle where it's like, what is going on with the what is happening? The ocean was like removed and put back, and now it's giant tsunamis are destroying everything. Wow. It's quite impressive. I have no clue what is currently going on. There's life there. I mean, before the tsunamis killed it, which is kind of impressive. Once again, considering there's literally 100 solar mass black hole right here. But the Earth just seems to be ignoring that and turning into a big ocean. I guess the fish are happy. Good job, fish. Proud of you. Good job. You've got so much water now, so much agua. Really, really nice. How high is the water? I feel like something really wacky just happened. Can't put my finger on it. Oh my god, what is happening with the epilepsy warning? I apologize. Let's go ahead and get rid of that real quickly. Thanks. Liquid water depth. There we go. What? Oh, alright, so the ocean is ranging from 1/10 of a light year thick. Wait a moment. Can I just say what? And it gets up to 18.4 light years deep. What? I'm sorry. I just like to ask how, when, why, what is going on? I am so confused right now. Whoa, that is a lot of water. To put that into perspective, I can't even imagine how much water that is. And I have big 2 brain cells here, so it's more than 2 water. More than 2 water on there. I'm really confused. How did it get to a light year? Is it because the black hole like threw it out and it's no, that wouldn't make any sense. I did something. I really broke something. Horribly broke something. Is this where the black hole is? Is it pulling the water to where the black hole is? Because that would actually be really cool. And I didn't think that would actually work. But I want to just check and see if that's an actual thing. That'd be neat if the water moved over to where the black hole was. Nope, doesn't look like it's doing that. Yeah, this is an odd bug. Let's look at the other things. What do we have for like elevation? Okay, up in the kilometers, that's normal. Vapor pressure. Alright, we're just not going to look at that. Ice thickness. Oh! Yes, there is a point which has an ice sheet that is 980 light years thick. I'm kind of curious if I can't see the water because I have to just like zoom out. And there's just going to be like a big blob of ocean. How do we get to light years? Yeah, we're gonna have to keep... Thank God I have a mouse where I can just turn the scroll wheel, where I can just have it go forever. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna find the ocean. Actually, I just went to positive infinity distance away. Is that supposed to be I can't even zoom in. Zooming in is not doing anything because it is infinity. It doesn't matter how much we subtract. Oh no! No, we're coming back! Okay, the float has forgiven us for our mistake. Wow, okay, well, I think we learned a lot today. I'm really confused. I don't understand why what just happened, but thank you, England, I guess, for showing us such greatness. I did not expect such a strong performance. You literally made an ice spike the size of the universe to try to get me away. That is impressive. Thank you. And I'll see you all next time. Oh, that was a good snap. See, I screwed the first one up, but I recovered. I recovered. Unlike England.